Hello Facebook Ads people, I'm Konstantinos and today we're going to discuss why my crazy method has the best conversion rates on the Facebook Ads Manager. So, during Black Friday, a company hired me in order to do some scaling to their ad accounts because they didn't know how to do it, and they were also running their own ads. This was good for me because I realized some things. I realized that by running ads over there and using my own methods, how much more superior are my ways of doing ads and the way that they were doing ads with consolidation, running only one campaign with one ad set with the budget there, or running ABOs and not CBOs and stuff like that. And the biggest key metric that I have found there, which was different, it was the conversion rate. What was the conversion rate? Conversion rate is, and I'm going to show you in my PC how to actually create a column, is when you're actually dividing your purchases with the link clicks. This is going to show us how many people that they are clicking, they are actually converting. A lot of times people do have a misconception and they think about conversion rates when somebody is on the site and how much they're converting. We don't care about that. As a Facebook marketeer, I do care about when people are clicking and how many of those are going to buy or not. Because on the other hand, if I'm watching the conversion rate of the site, this is something that the company has to look with the developer or someone who is going to optimize their pages so that their funnel is going to be good and people are going to convert. What I'm trying to see here is how more efficient my ads are targeting and the link clicks that I'm getting, how many people they are actually converting on this ad, comparing to the link clicks that the other campaigns are getting and how many people, the percentage of these people that they're actually converting from these ads. I hope that it makes sense, and it was actually a very good experience because I realized how superior the crazy method is, and I know it from all of your comments and everything, but this is another proof for those that they don't believe in it, and I think that you should also go and check the crazy method and try to use it because it's super effective. Okay, now let's discuss about the conversion rate. I know that we haven't talked a lot about the conversion rate in this channel, but this is also a metric that I'm looking from time to time in order to define if my ads are doing well or not. So what is the conversion rate? Let me show you how you can check it over here because obviously it's not on the columns. You can put customized columns and you can do create custom metric over here, okay? And it's going to be the purchases, okay? So the metric of the purchases, and you're going to divide this with link clicks, okay? And then it's going to be a percentage and you're going to name this however you want to name it, and you're going to create a metric. I have one over here. It's called CR, conversion rate, and this is how you can create custom metrics and put the conversion rate into your columns. Okay, a little bit of context. Having 5%, 4%, it's good. Of course, depending on the industry, you might see different ones, but what I wanted to show you here is that in this company, I came only for the Black Friday to do some ads. They were doing their own ads, so I did some of my crazy method stuff, and the results were actually super remarkable because over here, these two over here are my crazy method campaigns, okay? This one on the top is the broad targeting and the one below is the lookalike. Sorry that I'm hiding all of the names, but sadly I have to protect the anonymity of this client. Over here you can see that my conversion rates on these two campaigns were not even close to the other ones, because here we are having an Advantage Plus campaign which didn't do that well. Then over here I can tell you that this is a prospecting campaign which is coming from their end, but it's having inside, I believe, only one ad set, 3 ad sets, and it's not even is it a CBO? It is a CBO, and it didn't do that well. So the crazy method is actually winning this because both of those were broad targeting and lookalike audiences with the crazy method. As you can see here, if we go, we can see that all of those are broad targeting. I'm not going to hide that names, of course. You can see that all of this is broad. And if we come also here, where is it? There you go. If we come also here, we can see that all of these are lookalikes, of course. Here is my stacked lookalikes method with the crazy method. And you can see that the conversion rates are completely different from the ones that they were running with just 3 ad sets, which is consolidation method, or running with 1 ad set, or the Advantage Plus. They have won every single other campaign, The only difference is here we're having remarketing, of course. Remarketing, it's going to have higher conversion rates, and another 15, this is a catalog retargeting, I can tell you here. But this is, for example, an Advantage Plus campaign. This is a prospecting campaign. And this is another prospecting campaign. All of this, look, this one has 0.39. So these are their ads that they were running with their own methods. And I can tell you that their own way of thinking is to do consolidation. Not a lot of ad sets, just 2 or 3, put the budget there, which is completely different from my method with Crazy Method. And I know I have proof of concept, not because of my accounts that I'm running and I'm having very good results with Crazy Method, but there are a lot of you that you're commenting below about the Crazy Method and how much it helped you. And this is also another proof over here for those of you that you're not using it, and this is the reason that you should start using it. The consolidation is a myth, and a lot of times agencies are also using the consolidation so that they can do just one campaign because they're working with volume, okay? So they want to work in a lot of ad accounts by just doing one ad set, and for them it's just another client, another client, another client. They don't care. So the consolidation is also something that's being pushed by the agencies because the agencies also really like it for the fact that it's actually limiting their workload. But here with the Crazy Method, which actually it is more and it needs a lot of knowledge, and for me, even for me, it's very difficult to teach to people the optimization. So imagine an agency having someone as a VA doing the ads. It's very easy if they do just one campaign with one ad set, but if they do more complex campaigns, it's very difficult because they're not going to, the people that are going to do these campaigns are not going to have the knowledge on how to optimize them. It's more difficult to train people like that. So the consolidation is something that Facebook is pushing. It's something that agencies are pushing because it's convenient for them. It's very easy for them. So over here, the proof is for you. Only the retargeting has actually won, which would be extremely awkward if we would see that the Crazy Method was going to win in conversion rates the retargeting. It was close, but still. Also, don't forget that these retargetings over here are spending not even the amount that these ones are spending. And don't forget that you can learn more about how to use my Crazy Method and the optimization in my course if you want to check it and you want to go more in depth. Sadly, with the YouTube videos I can show you a lot of stuff, but if you want to go super in depth about the Crazy Method and the optimization and everything, sadly guys, you will have to go, sadly for you, it's good for me, you will have to go with a course. Sometimes these things are very interesting for me. I don't know if you also find them interesting, so write on the comments and let me know if you find this interesting, what your thoughts or whatever. And don't forget that if you want to learn more about Facebook ads, you can check my book or my free course. And until we meet again guys, be creative and be consistent.